Wow, check this thing out. I was not thinking. I mean, I had like a 62, something like that, 64. Check this out. Pretty sure it's a big old sash buckle. Oh, wow. I'm gonna try to spray this off. Oh, my spray bottle is like buried. All right, I'll just try to brush it a little better with my non-gloved finger. This thing is awesome though. Look at that, just a little bit of detail you can see. And then look at the back, it's got the buckle. Oh, this is awesome. This site I'm at is an old mill general store site. It was real early. I think it was like 1850s. Really booming place. I have found a few things out here. This is one of the best things from here. Not sure the year, but man, that is awesome looking. I gotta clean this up.